Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about Gitanjali Rao, Times Kid of the Year 2020. Gitanjali Rao is a 15-year-old girl from Colorado, which is in USA. Gitanjali Rao is the first person to receive Times Magazine Kid of the Year designation. She has created an innovative device named as Tethys, a device which measures the lead content in water and sends a notification on mobile phone using Bluetooth. Why the device named as Tethys? Because its meaning in Greek is goddess of fresh water. Gitanjali is youngest scientist, innovator, author and a STEM promoter. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. At the age of 10, she saw some Flint water crisis in some news and she started working on solving the problems. In 2017, Geetanjali won the Discovery Education 3M Young Scientist Challenge as well and was awarded with $25,000 for her invention of Tethys. When she was in class 2nd, her teacher had said that she's gonna change the world. That's what she's doing right now. Tethys contains a 9-volt battery, a lead sensing unit, a Bluetooth extension, and a processor. It uses carbon nanotubes whose resistance changes in the presence of lead. She learned about the carbon nanotubes while reading the website of MIT. She is a 3-time TEDx speaker as well. In September 9, 2018, Geetanjali was awarded with the United States Environmental Protection Agency's President's Environmental Youth Award also. Geetanjali developed an app that uses artificial intelligence that can detect cyberbullying at a very early age. Geetanjali is also going to publish some books related to environmental problems. Thanks for watching the videos. For more videos like this, stay tuned with our channel.